When practicing guitar rhythms, especially if you're not long learning guitar, it's a good idea to mute these strings and practice this, your rhythm hand only. You will get it much quicker. I'm going to strum the rhythm for Wicked Game by Chris Isaac. This is a nice, easy acoustic guitar rhythm to get you playing the song. I'll keep it going so that you can actually pick up your guitar and strum along with me here. Keep rolling your rhythm hand. And a few more times. Once more. And if I place the chords for that song over that, you will, with the same rhythm, and that whole song is just those three chords, A minor, G, D, repeated with that one basic rhythm. And once you have that, you can then think about adding ornamentation onto it, but that will give you the song.